I thank you for the opportunity to respond to your questions as you discharge your duty in the appointment process as prescribed by the Constitution. I also want to thank my dear friends.
USA! No Trump! No KKK! No fascist USA!
Two people from the northernmost part of our country and the southernmost part of our country. If I'm confirmed, I will commit to you and to the American people to be worthy of the office and the special trust that comes with it. You know who I am. You know what I believe in. You know that I'm a man of my word and can be trusted to do what I say I will do. You know that I revere the Constitution, that I'm committed to the rule of law, and you know that I believe in fairness, in impartiality, and equal justice under law. But in the last several years, law enforcement as a whole has been unfairly maligned and blamed for the unacceptable actions of a few of their bad actors. We will have to rely and work with more effectively local law enforcement, asking them to lead the way. To do that, they must know they're supported, and if I am so fortunate as to be confirmed as Attorney General, they can be assured they will have my support in their lawful duties. Policies like community-based policing have absolutely been proven to work. I am committed to this effort and to ensuring that the Department of Justice is a unifying force for improving relations between the police in this country and the communities they serve. This is particularly important in our minority communities. I was accused in 1986 of failing to protect the voting rights of African Americans by presenting the Perry County case, the voter fraud case, and of condemning civil rights advocates and organizations, and even harboring, amazingly, sympathies for the KKK. These are damnably false charges. The voter fraud case my office prosecuted was in response to pleas from African American incumbent elected officials who claimed that the absentee ballot process involved a situation in which ballots cast for them were stolen, altered, and cast for their opponents. As to the KKK, I invited civil rights attorneys from Washington, D.C. to help us solve a very difficult investigation into the unconscionable, horrendous death of a young African American coming home from the 7-Eleven store at night simply because he was black. I abhor the Klan and what it represents and its hateful ideology. I understand the demands for justice and fairness made by our LGBT community. I will ensure that the statutes protecting their civil rights and their safety are fully enforced. I understand the lifelong scars borne by women who are victims of assault and abuse. And if I am so fortunate to be confirmed as your Attorney General, you can know that I understand the absolute necessity that all my actions must fall within the bounds of the Constitution and the laws of the United States.